Hello students, welcome back to our history class, and we are going to read lesson number 6, the early kingdoms, that was about 2500 years ago. Big kingdoms developed near Ganga Valley. Now how do we come to know about it? We come to know about this from the Vedic text such as the Brahmanas and the Upanishads, and the Buddhist texts such as the Jataka tales. They refer to Janpads and Mahajanpads which existed in this period. So, what are Janpads and Mahajanpads? The Aryans lived in villages and life revolved around the tribe. The thick forest of the Ganga plains had not allowed expansion of this region, but with iron tools helped people to clear the forest, and later big settlements developed. The smaller tribes of this earlier period gave way to large kingdoms. These territories came to be called as Janapads, and the larger and the more powerful Janapads were called the Mahajanapads. Students, now you understand the Janapads and Mahajanapads. Okay, now Mahajanapads were of two types, republic and the monarchies. The republics were the people who did not have any king. Decisions were taken by majority vote. The Shakayas and Linchavis were the important republics. And who were the monarchies? The monarchical Mahajanapads were ruled by king. The king was very powerful and had a large army and many sources of revenue, because he needed to run his kingdom, no, so he needed source of income. And kingship was hereditary. Only the king's son succeeded him to the throne. Then we come to the trade. The trade got a boost during this period due to the introduction of money. Till now they were following the barter system, exchanging goods. So now towns were also developed. Villages that grew in size became towns. Towns also grew around centers of trade and craft. Ujjaini, Vaishali, Ayodhya, Kaushambi, Tamralipati and Champa were some important towns of this period. Now we come to formation of society. The people were grouped into varnas. There were four varnas: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. These varnas were decided on the basis of their birth, which means that a person born in Brahmin family would automatically become a Brahmin. Now people of varnas performed different tasks. The Brahmins were expected to teach the Vedas and perform religious rituals and sacrifice. The Kshatriyas were warriors and fought wars. The Vaishyas were involved in trade and agriculture. Only the first three Varnas could study the Vedas and perform sacrifices. The Shudra had to serve the other three groups. In addition, there was another group of people, the untouchables, who were even lower in social rank than the Shudra. Now we'll study about the important and the most powerful Mahajanapad, Magad. It was a monarchy ruled by a king. Magad was located in the Gangetic basin where the soil was very fertile and yielded good harvest. Land tax was high and it provided a large income for the kingdom. This enabled the king to maintain a large army. The forest provided Magad with timber and elephants. Elephants were used in army and timber was used to build houses, forts and chariots. Magad had a large deposit of iron ore. Iron could be used to make agriculture implements, tools, weapons for war. Magad was protected by nature. It was surrounded by hills on all sides. These were natural barriers against any attack on the kingdom. Magad had a flourishing trade. This helped the king to maintain a large army. Magad was ruled by very powerful kings such as Bimbisara, Ajatashatru and Mahapadmananda. So Magad remained powerful for hundreds of years. Now we will study the Vajji Confederacy. The Vajji were the confederacy of many clans, of whom the Linchavis were the most powerful. The capital was Vaishali. In the present day it is called Bihar. Now these Linchavis were republic. They were not ruled by any king. Decisions were taken by people themselves. These people remained republic and independent for a long time until Ajat Shatru conquered this Mahajanapad. Got it? Lastly, students, you can read about the Ashwamedh or the horse sacrifice ceremony that was often performed by powerful kings. That's all in this lesson, and now all of you hurry and attempt the book exercise and learn it. And don't forget to be on time for the next class. Love you. Bye.